rainy days. Hey guys, first video here as you can see. Let me introduce myself. My name is Simon. I'm from Canada, more precisely from Montreal, and my goal is to explore the most as I can with you. In this video, I did a full weekend hiking trip, 2 hours away from home. Enjoy. Not enough water. We're near the ski slopes. Just right there, and this is my rig, little small rig. It's a Forerunner, Toyota Forerunner 2003. It's the V8 version. It's pretty old and rusty, as they all are pretty much here in Quebec. Yeah, I just didn't paint the little bumper there. Okay, so I'm quitting the rig to go on the trail. From the parking, the trailhead, I think it's the trail start, I think it's 5-6 minutes. I'm at the end completely of the parking. Yeah. Okay, so the parking was there. Walk around, and that's the trail start. Let's go. Pretty muddy. Pretty muddy, as I thought. I talked about the bad weather, but it just feels surreal. I feel like I'm in a movie. It's crazy. There's something about this mountain I just love. After 3 times that someone or I got lost, but some little misadventures was not that big of a deal. Some snow, some rest of it. Let's catch you guys up top. It was supposed to rain, but now that I'm going a little deeper in the mountain, it started to actually snow. Winter is coming. So I wanted to do the Spruce Lake, but now I see the mud pond is really near, so I'm gonna go. I'm following a little river. That's the mud pond. Oh my god. So nice. can see some ice forming. I love it. So let's head back to the spruce lake. So guys, I stopped by the spruce lake. I took some pictures, didn't film it, but now I wanted to go to the round top. It's another like 45 minutes to the top, and I'm like 10 minutes away, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna film there. It's quite an ascension. Super beautiful. I just arrived and no views. What a disappointment. I think in summer we see Vermont from here. Just finished the trails. I'm heading back to the car. Okay, so I've got a sleep done. I was really tired. So now I'm gonna make myself a little coffee with some maple whiskey. It's called Coureur des Bois and it's made in Canada. It's actually really good. Not too sweet, a little bit strong. It's 31% of alcohol and it's one of my favorites. My sugar is rock solid. It's not too cold. Outside it's presently 4 degrees. Tonight it's gonna be -2. And my sleeping bag it's rated for -5, so it's on the line. I'm feeling a little bit cold when I sleep, but it's alright. It's crazy the amount of humidity it's creating in the car. I don't have a fan, that's why. Smells so good. Real maple Canadian. Cheers, guys. Basic stuff, but good. Oh my god, it's hot in here. Woo. Come in. I'm sure you can feel the heat coming. So now I'm gonna enjoy it. Good morning. I woke up early at 6. It's now 7:30 and now I'm climbing the the ski resort. I'm not sure if I'm able to. There's nobody. I think it's good. I climbed to the top. It took me about 1 hour, but no views today. It's pretty windy, like this tower, and it's making pretty bad noise from the wind. So I'm gonna make my way down, and it's pretty steep. You can't see it in video, but it's pretty steep. At this point, my little weekend trip was over, and I was heading home. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Be safe exploring.